Hey everyone, Nick here, and I just wanted to give you a really quick tip about cropping photos in PowerPoint. You can really easily crop photos to different shapes in PowerPoint, and that will give your presentation or your report a really nice look and feel, a very custom look and feel. You don't have to just be bound by the original photo size or the original photo dimensions. So you can see right here, I have this nice little picture of a man and a cat. How cute. I just got that from Microsoft Stock Photos. You just insert the Insert tab and then go to Pictures, and then from Stock Images you can search millions of photos right there through that feature. It's pretty cool. Next we have a shape here. I want to put this picture inside of this shape, this heart shape, which I just got from the Shapes drop-down menu here on the Insert tab in PowerPoint. You can put in any number of custom shapes that way that you like. So what I like to do here is we need to open the Format Shape dialog box. So we're going to right-click and then click on Format Shape. This pops up right here. Right here is where you can change the fill color. You could change the color this way if you want to. But you can also select picture or texture fill. And so from that, I'm going to go ahead and actually what first I'm going to do is I'm going to copy my photo right here. So I'm going to copy that photo, Control-C. That's going to put it on the clipboard behind the scenes. And now I'm going to select my heart, go back to the paint fill right here, select picture or texture fill, and then you have this option. You can insert a photo. You can do the same thing from a photo from your device or from stock photos, but you can also save from clipboard. This button will be activated when you have something copied to your clipboard, and we just copied the photo to the clipboard. So I'm going to say from clipboard, and it's going to go right into that heart. Now you might notice that it doesn't exactly look very proportional. It's kind of stretched, it's kind of squished. So the way that we get rid of that is we highlight the heart shape right here, we go up to the picture format menu, and then we click on, under the size menu here, we click on the crop button. Just click on that drop down, and then now either select fill or fit. And I like to select fill because that's going to basically fill the entire shape proportionally with the photo, and you'll be able to crop, you'll be able to move the photo side, kind of adjust it to the position that you like. So I'm going to click on fill, and now you can see we get the crop shape dialog, the crop shape sort of slider bars here, and you can then click with your mouse and just sort of drag the photo, position it exactly where you want it, and that looks really nice. And now I'm going to click the crop button again to get out of it, and now that looks so much nicer than the stretched photo. So make sure when you're putting pictures into your shapes, you just go up to that crop menu and click on fill, and then you'll be able to adjust the position. You don't have to work with any of the XY dimensions and kind of nudge them over to the left, to the right, to the up, to the down, all of that stuff. Just go up to that crop button and click on fill. I hope you liked this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. You'll get notified every time I post a new video in data design, usually PowerPoint, Excel, or Word. I had a great time making this for you as always, and I will see you all next time.